Deputy President William Ruto on Saturday pleaded with the ANC leader Musalia Mudavadi to support his 2022 presidential bid as payback for Ruto's support in 2007. Support that Ruto says saw ODM leader Raila Odinga appointed Prime Minister with Mudavadi as his deputy. But just what is Ruto up to with his latest confession, and is this culture of political betrayal really new in Kenya? ATN's political affairs reporter Muremi Mwangi seeks some answers on House of Cards.
As these lyrics of rebellion by Kikuyu musician Kimani Waturaku hit social media, warning Deputy President William Ruto against banking on an automatic support from President Uhuru Kenyatta's Mount Kenya backyard in his 2022 State House bid. The shrewd politician was quick to rebut.
No person, no community, no section of Kenya owes anybody, including myself, anything.
But this, it appears, is no longer the case, at least not with another 11-year-old political debt, which according to Ruto dates back to his 2007 stint as co-principal to the Raila Odinga-led ODM party.
Tukakosa kiti ya president, tukakosa kiti ya vice president, ile ilipatikana ni ya prime minister. Hiyo ya prime minister ambayo ilikuwa yangu, sasa hawa ndugu zangu wakubwa wawili wakagawana. Ule Raila akakuwa prime minister, Musalia akakuwa deputy prime minister. Mimi nikazama.
Unajua watu wa huko waliambia Ruto hawana deni. Sio alisema hawana deni. Sasa na Ruto amekuja kudai nyinyi mko na deni yake.
Ruto is playing politics in the sense that he wants to appeal to the emotions of the people from Western Kenya, telling them that he has previously supported one of their own and therefore he wants to be supported going forward. But you see, if you go back to 2007, before the elections of 2007, there was no position of Prime Minister.
But these Ruto sentiments during the homecoming ceremony of Lurambi legislator Bishop Titus Hamala somewhat lifts the veil on the Kenyan politics of betrayal and the backroom pre-election pacts whose actualization rarely sees the light of day. Before teaming up with Ruto in 2007, Odinga was himself reeling from betrayal by Kibaki's handlers who reneged on the infamous 2002 MOU that would have seen Odinga appointed Prime Minister within 100 days of enactment of a new constitution, while Kibaki was to only serve for a single term. In 2010, Ruto pointed an accusing finger at Odinga as he, together with Kenyatta and 4 other Kenyans, were indicted for crimes against humanity charges at the International Criminal Court over the disputed 2007 polls. 3 years later, in the heat of the backroom power deals intensified by the ICC cases, Kenyatta and Ruto left Mudavadi groping in political darkness after reneging on a surprise deal to support Mudavadi's presidential bid.
Sasa omwami Musalia na ule mtu yangu Raila Odinga hata kunitembelea huko kuniambia pole. Hawakukuja.
Mimi nataka niseme bwana, wewe umesema hayo yote lakini ulisahau 2013. Mlikuja kubomo yangu mkakula mandazi. Hiyo hakutaja. Lakini isitoshe. Hii ni siasa.
Ile mimi niliwasaidia. Ule akakuwa prime minister, ule mwingine akakuwa deputy. Saa hii mimi ndio nimekaribia. Sasa wakiniunga mkono iko makosa. Sasa iko haja gani ya kusungukana tena? Simu nisaidie tu nifike haraka hivi.
Karibu mtu anguke magoti ati anaomba Musalia Mudavadi for support. Wewe unaomba kitu ambayo bado iko jikoni. Raila na Uhuru wenyewe ndio wanapika.
The only logical position that they can give Mudavadi could be perhaps a deputy president, which again is a tall order. I'm sure Ruto knows that Western Kenya is not as united politically as Central Kenya.
The electoral laws have since been enhanced, making pre-election pacts deposited with the registrar of political parties binding after the polls. Nevertheless, with the March 9th Kenyatta Odinga cooperation deal already sending shockwaves across the political scene, backroom political poker games are no doubt bound to intensify, heading to the 2022 polls. Now, with the turbulence of political uncertainty and fear of deceit threatening to rock his boat's journey to State House, Ruto is no doubt poised to pull more surprises in the future as the 2022 realignments continue. Muremi Mwangi, KTN News in Nairobi.